Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. It's the day after Christmas 2022, and this is the album that I finished that I worked on for the month of December. I finished it just a few hours before Christmas Eve, and I've taken all the photos and I've shared some of the photos on Facebook groups, but I have not done my videos yet. So this is going to be a quick showcase video. I'm going to go into detail about the cover because that's where I put all the decorative elements. Kept the inside pretty simple, and I will do a showcase video of the pages set to music so you can look at it real quick, and then later on in a few days I will have a tutorial on how you can make this album. It doesn't have to be a Christmas album. You can use any kind of paper collection with this fun album. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is an 8.5 by 8.5 cover album with a 3.5-inch spine here on the back. This is a great size album. I love making this size. The pages are 8 by 8. Inside is a new type of hinge for me. It was designed by Carolyn Ham of Crafting and Creating with Carolyn on YouTube. She's a Country Craft Creations designer also. And so I tried that. I've been wanting to try her method of a hinge, and I really like it. I think you will too. I did a lot of detail here on the cover. I do want to tell you that if you are wanting to make it completely lay flat, do not put the thicker elements on there. But I love thick elements on my covers, so I'm okay with it. But I do want to give you that little bit of warning. So here on the front, I double matted it with red and white and then the patterned paper. Then I added the frame from the collection. This is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Christmas Lodge. I then added in Prima flowers and holly and berries from my stash, a red seam binding bow, some little pine cones from my stash, these 3 trees or sisal trees from Prima, and then I added in the white Prima pearls and then some little gold jingle bells. This is a Tim Holtz reindeer that was in my stash. This is an element from one of the package of the ephemera that I had, some of the collections fancy backed brads that don't actually have prongs are on there. This tie I got off of some towels that I bought, so I saved that. I thought it'd be great. I did add a little bit of the Nouveau crystal glaze here in with some of the berries on the paper, the greenery. You can kind of see it just kind of gives it some shine, some dimension and shine. Then on the spine, so we can show you where this wraps around, I tied some charms from my stash. This one says Jingle Bells. We got a snowflake with a gemstone in it, a little reindeer, snowman, a Christmas tree, and another snowflake. And then on the back, to hold down that tie, I matted this piece from the paper collection, added another of this one here. This one is double matted also, and then I added this element from the collection. So on the inside, I am going to tell you that I did add in a few paper clips, some vintage type paper clips from my stash, the seam binding ribbon, which I did crinkle up. A couple of maybe brads are in there, but most of the elements inside are from this collection that was available from Simple Stories. It may not be available now, but this album is designed that it will make any type of album: Christmas, Valentine, Mother's Day, Easter, Father's Day, all around album just for your family type things. So give it a try. It has 6 pages, which counting front and back gives you 12. It does have photo sleeve inserts, which I have not done yet, but you can add inserts into your pages. So let's get started. I'm going to just show you the inside set to music so that you can watch this, and then in a few days I will have a tutorial video. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to click the bell to be notified when my videos are uploaded so that you won't miss anything, and give me a like and also share with your friends. Tell them about my channel. Appreciate you all so much, and I hope you've been having a wonderful holiday. So let's get started.